Welcome to our third vlog. We have some great news. We have signed a contract with Rise Church Planting Network, and they are going to support us financially. Not only financially, they're going to support us with a coach, a church planting coach, someone who has been in the trenches, somebody who has already planted a church or multiple churches, and they're going to be with us every step of the way. This funding is exciting and it's amazing. But just to be honest and transparent with you, planting a church does take money. It's actually, the budget we have is roughly $150,000, and what Rise is supporting us, it's about a third of that roughly. And so that's really exciting that they're willing to do that and that they're going to do that. And the reality is, though, we still need to fundraise. And actually, if I could be really honest, every day is a step of faith. Every day is actually a leap of faith, saying, how are we going to pay rent? How are we going to do this? But what we continually learn during this process, I've said this a number of times, Kaz has said a number of times, is that God continues to provide for us. God is good. Because we're part of the Rise Network, we were at the annual conference, and they introduced Kaz and I along with 5 other couples. So in total, there were 6 couples, and introduced us as one of 6 church planters. So that means this organization is planting 6 churches in 2026. How exciting is that? How kingdom-minded is that? How wonderful for the message of Jesus to be even furthering in Southern California. We are pumped, we are excited, and as the vlog continues, as we continue to share our hearts and what's going on, the wins, the successes, the discouragements and all that, we are so excited about what the future holds, and we hope and pray that you would join us on this journey. So if you haven't already, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to it, and join us on this journey, because God, we believe in faith. God is going to continue to do even bigger and more amazing things. And He's already done amazing things in and through Restored Church. So join us on this journey.